Well, dear students, 10th standard, Jesse's English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka. Welcome in class 10th English class. Continuity of the lesson going on, Unit 4, B.R. Ambedkar, Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, written by Sri R. Venkataraman. So, dear students, 10th group, get ready with your English textbook along with a pencil in your hand for the reading activities. Then all the attachment paper should be ready, including your notebook. Make the notes continuously. I am very happy that few girls and from the beginning also few boys, they came at random and checked the notes and all. Now you all full 10th group, I got the confidential report that you are all learning well at home with my notes and all, so it is very good and positive. And immediately when the state government will announce about the offline classes of 10th board, you will not get any platform, because every day I will request my principal to make phone call to your parents if each and every work is not updated. So boys specifically, get ready, make notes, bring the notebook at random. Checking is very important. Without compulsory writing task, you will not be able to score 97, 98, 99 out of 100. And my target, full 10th group should get 96 to 100. And calculatively, in the same manner for other subjects too, so that your parents should tell that yes, our daughter and sons are very good indeed. So this thing you have to do. Education is very, very important. And now after coronavirus, you can understand that education, knowledge is very important to earn the money at any consequence, at any situation. If the situation is very drastic, knowledge is important. How to do it? So many people around the world, not only in India, they are already forgetting about their own trade, about their own business matter, or about their own service strategy. New. Every morning is very new to each and every citizen of all the countries. So keep it in your mind, 10th group student, you have to earn money. How? When? In which situation? What? Again another situation will come. God knows. You have to face that situation. So don't depend on your parents. Don't depend on anyone else. Depend on yourself. Be independent with your thinking skill. That's why SSLC drafted very good chapters. You should know, learn by heart, keep on reading, and sensitively be serious about your thinking skill. Updation should be there in your thinking skills. 10th group, get ready. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and before that, go to the board work. This one, your concept, national visionary. Once more, I am reminding you. Learning points, read the paragraphs. Check your understanding, then you will share your answers with me. I will tell you all the answers, keep it in your mind. Listen continuously, sincerely, seriously. See, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar started from page 68. Page number 69, check your understanding. Ambedkar spent most of his life in option given: purchasing books, attending conferences, importing books. Correct answer is purchasing books. Page 69, 10th group, get ready. Page 69, open your attachment, open your textbook, you will get all the materials. 17, 11, I sent all the attachment. So please open your attachment, sit with your textbook, open your attachment and follow my instruction. So 10th group, be very serious whenever you are going to listen the video lessons. Follow it just like your classroom instruction, and I want it, you have to do it, that's all. So student, 10th standard, 10th group, number 2, page 69. Pick out the word in the first paragraph, which means a quality that makes a person or a thing different from another. Voracious reader. Always spell, break the word spelling and then correct pronunciation you do it. Voracious. V-O-R-A-C-I-O-U-S. Because syllable, very important topic. In your SSLC board, you will definitely get question as per your pronunciation. Correct English pronunciation required so that you can break and spell the word. This is very important one topic you will get in SSLC board. This time so many things are there. You need to do the practice, and then in the video learning scheme also through the video lessons I am telling everything. Keep it in your mind map and continuously proceed with this. Keep it in your mind map so that 1 mark, 2 mark also you will score, so that your number will be 98, 99, even 100 out of 100 in English also. Get ready for that group. How did the 14th Amendment of the American Constitution benefit the black Americans? You see, number 3, that one in page 68, paragraph 2. I am reading, follow it. It is important to record here one major influence on Dr. Ambedkar. While in the USA, United States of America, he was drawn to the 14th Amendment of the Constitution of the USA, which gave freedom to the black Americans. This is the very good job Dr. Ambedkar had done in USA. And same thing you will see depressed classes in India. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar wanted to do something through the Indian Constitution, giving some facilities, etc., scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, to upbring them, to update them, to modify them, to give them entry in all level of education, all level of service places, business areas, etc. Similarly, Mahatma Gandhi, our Congress leader, he had also done for the depressed classes, but technique different totally. This one different. And Mahatma Gandhi called the depressed classes Harijan. So next one, I will come to this point and you have to give me the answer. What did Mahatma Phule work for? Mahatma Phule different, Mahatma Gandhi different. Mahatma Phule, page 68, last paragraph, go through it. On returning home, means after US, landing to India, Baba Saheb Ambedkar came to be greatly influenced by the life and work of Mahatma Phule, the votary of a classless society and women's uplift. The need as well as the feasibility of reform impressed itself on Baba Saheb's mind, and he decided to devote all his time and talents for the amelioration of his underprivileged brethren, means for the depressed classes in the society. Mukanayak, Bahishkrit Bharat and Samata. These were voicemails. Page 69. Follow paragraph 2. Here it is written clearly. Newspapers started by him, such as the Mukanayak, Vaishkrit Bharat and Samata, were at once recognized as authentic voices of the depressed classes. So these are actually voicemails, but these are started as newspapers. So your correct answer will be, these are actually newspapers. Option given, voicemails. Political parties, no, not political parties, that time Congress. And Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose started Azad Hind Fauj. That is not a political party. That's a team he has started. And Mahatma Gandhi, Congress leader. After that, our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, etc. Gandhiji termed the depressed classes as Harijans, Harijans. Harijans. So dear students, 10th group, that much today. Surely coming back with the continuity part of check your understanding. Get ready with page 70. In the next video, I will start from here. 70, 71. God bless you.